Hi everyone, please let me know if I'm audible. I think I'm audible. Hi everyone. Okay, so in today's class, yeah, so today's session is on logical reasoning and we will discuss topics like number series, alphabetical series, then input output. So these kind of topics we will discuss, and also along with that, we will also have a topic of uh, visual reasoning. So these are part of logical reasoning only. So we will discuss what are the types of questions that are come in the examination, and we will solve some of the questions. If you face any difficulty while the session, please comment your doubt in the YouTube so that I can look at it and answer your query. Okay. So let us start the today's session. So before we begin the class, I would like to tell you that we have created a WhatsApp group for all the updates regarding the IIMB UG examination. So if you haven't joined our WhatsApp channel, please do join the WhatsApp channel. The link is given in the description. So if you join the group, then you will have a lot of benefits. For example, if you are conducting any stream, you will get a notification there. We are posting important updates regarding the examination and all. So it's better to join the group. And yeah, so this is the schedule of the live sessions. Today we are having logical reasoning class. Tomorrow you will have number systems. Then you have trigonometry, data interpretation, statistics. So please remember that these are the upcoming live sessions. So you do not miss any of the live session. So just take the screenshot and you can attend these live sessions. So we are giving you 5 free marks for the examination if you have filled the form and if you are applying for the examination. It is very important for you to take the mock test. So Cracku is providing 5 free marks. So once the actual mock is out, IIM Bangalore will release its mock free mock out. Based on that, we will update some of the mocks or might release new mocks also. So if you want some practice, if you want to know what will be the pattern look like, we have created 5 free mocks, and these will be very useful for you for a practice purpose, analyzing purpose. So if you are somebody who is preparing for the examination, I will recommend just take this test. Since these are free, so it will be very useful for you. So let's start with the session. So we'll start with the number series. What are the number series? When I say number series can be anything. It can be 1, 5, 9, 13, 17. This is a number series. And what is the speciality of the number series? All the elements 1 and 5 have a common difference of 4. 5 and 9 also have a common difference of 4. 9, 13 common difference of 4. 13 and 17 common difference of 4. That means this forms an arithmetic progression. So if I want to know what will be the next term after 17, what will be the next term after 17, I can easily say that the next number will be 21. Why? Because this series is following a pattern that every number is having plus 4. So the consecutive difference between any two terms is 4. So this is one type of number series where the numbers will be in a specific difference of numbers. There can be possibility that the numbers are not in perfect addition. For example, 1, 4, 9. So here the difference is 3. here the difference is 5, and here the difference is 7, then here the difference is, let's say, 9. So this is also an series, this is also a number series where the difference between consecutive terms, are in AP 3, 5, 7, 9. These are AP, arithmetic progression. So even if the numbers are having different differences, here the difference is 3, here it is 5, here it is 7, here it is 9, then also it is following a pattern. The pattern is that if I take the difference of two consecutive terms, I will get a difference. Then difference between these two terms, I will get a value. So all these numbers are forming a arithmetic progression. So if I want to know what will be the next term here, what I will do, I know that it is 5, 7, 9. It will be 11. So the difference between these two numbers should be 11. So it will be 36. One way of looking at this is this pattern. Another way of looking at this pattern is that this is 1 square, this is 2 square, this is 3 square, this is 4 square, this is 5 square. Then the number should come here will be 6 square. So there are many ways of solving a problem. So you can also think of this method. So these kind of series are called as number series, where numbers are written in a particular order and they will be following a particular rule. According to the rule, you have to find the next number of the series. I hope this is clear to you guys. The number series can be of this form also. Let's say 1 square plus 1, 2 square plus 2, 3 square plus 3, 4 square plus 4. The numbers are 2, 6, 12, 20, then you have 30. So what will be the next number in this series? If the numbers are 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, what will be the next number? So if this is given, you have to think of this, that this is a possibility that these numbers can be written in this form also. Once you know that these are the numbers written of this format, that each number, each term can be written as 1 square plus 1, that is first term. Second term will be 2 square plus 2. So if I want to know what will be the next term here after 30, I can simply write it as first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth term. So it will be 6 square plus 6, that is 42. So here the number will come as 42. I hope this is clear to you guys. If you have any doubt, you can ask me your doubts. Yes, if all right. So if you are visiting this channel for the first time, I will request you to follow this channel and also like the video so that the video reaches to the maximum number of students who are preparing for this examination. Now comes the alphabet series. I have just explained you the type of questions that might come in the number series. We will look at the questions and then you will get much better understanding when we will solve the questions. So now let us focus on alphabetic series. So what is alphabet series? So what are the alphabets? The alphabets are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So in alphabet series, every alphabet A, B, C, D, E, all the alphabets from A to Z are given a unique value. We will give A as 1, B as 2, C as 3, D as 4, E as 5. So this will be 6, G will be 7, H will be 8, I will be 9. So 24, 25 and 26. These are 26 alphabets. So 26 numbers from 1 to 26. This is the original order. Like the numbering can be from 1 2 3 4 up to 26, or the numbering can be I can give A, B, C, D, E. Instead of giving 1 2 3 4 5, I can also give 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, and Z will be 1, Y will be 2. So either this will be followed in the question or this will be followed in the question. You have to identify which of the following pattern is followed. Most of the cases this will be followed, but in some cases this case is also followed where the numbering is given as A is equal to 26. So what are the type of questions that comes? I will explain you. So for example, if the series is A, C, uh, so B, C, D, D, E, F, A, C, F. Okay, and the next number is, let's say, K, M, P. So this is one term of the series. This is another term of the series. And what is the speciality of this series? If you look, A and C, how many alphabets are between A and C? 1. The alphabet between A and C is 1, that is B. How many alphabets are between C and F? D, E. There are 2 alphabets between C and F. So there are 2 alphabets between C and F. Similarly, between K and M, how many alphabets are there? Only 1 alphabet is there. Between M and P, how many alphabets are there? 2 alphabets are there. So 2 alphabets are there. So if I say the series starts with, let's say, P, R, what will be this alphabet? What will be this alphabet? I know that P and R also having a alphabet, like one alphabet is between P and R. So between R and this corresponding alphabet, there should be at least 2 alphabet. So R, S, T will be in between these two. So after 2 terms, after 2 alphabets, which is the next number? U. So it will be U, P, R, U. So this way I am able to find that there is a difference of alphabets. How many alphabets are between A and C? 1. How many alphabets are between C and F? 2 alphabets. So similarly, I have to find that which alphabet will come here. So when you know the numbering, when you know how many alphabets are there between 2 alphabets, it is easier for you to solve their questions based on alphabetical series. I hope this is clear to you guys. Okay. So let's move to the next topic. So I have just given you example that alphabets are written in this format. Okay, alphabets are given some numbering. It can be 1 2 3 4 5, it can be 26 25 24. Based on the question type, you have to identify which one is followed. Now I want to give you one example so that it becomes much clearer. Suppose the name is given as Ram. Okay, then the name is given as Shyam. Okay, and it is given that uh, R is equal to X, A is equal to Y, M is equal to Z. Okay, and x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, you have to find out. Okay, where a b c d is basically 1 2 3 4. If the numbering is done as 1 2 3 4 for a b c d up to z, so what will be the value of x plus y plus z? In that case, I need to find what is the position of r. What is the position of r? So in such kind of question, first I will write a b c d e f g h I j k l m n o p q r s t u v w x y and z. Now r is here. So 5 plus 5, 15, 16, 17, 18. So r is 18. So x will be 18. Y will be a. A is equal to y. That means the position of a is 1. So it will be 1. Y is equal to 1. M. What is M? M is at position, this position. So 5 plus 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. So M is at 13. What is the sum of RAM? 19 plus 13, that is 32. That is 32. So sum of the digits which are assigned to RAM is 32. What about Shyam? Similarly, you have to find out for Shyam that S is present here. So what is this position? 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So this is 19. For H, it is 8. For Y, it is 25. For A, it is 1. For M, it is 13. So 19 plus 8, 27, 52, 53, 56 and 66. So this is 66. So this way numbering is done for all the alphabets and we can find the sum of the numbers. I hope this is clear to you guys. Yes, you are guys correct. Moving forward. So this is the question. I want you guys to solve this question. You have to solve this question. Your time starts now. Please solve this question. The correction window is not open yet. The last I checked in today's evening, it was not checked. So please solve this question. People are giving answer as B. 36 is the answer people are saying. So let us see what is the correct answer of this question. So find the number that can replace the question mark in the series given below. So some series is given and I need to find what will come here. Okay. So first focus on the numbers. What are the numbers given? 15 and 18 is given. 15 and 18 is given, right? So 15 and 18 is given. So difference between these two numbers is 3. Let me write the numbers here. So the numbers are 15, 18, 17, 21, 20, 25, 24, 30, 29 and question mark. Now, what is the difference between these two numbers? The difference between these two numbers is 3. The difference between these two numbers is 1. The difference between these two numbers is 4. The difference between these two numbers is 1. The difference between these two numbers is 5. The difference between these two numbers is 1. The difference between these two numbers is 6. The difference between these two numbers is 1. So, what should be the difference between this number and this number? If you look, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So, it should be 7 here. So, difference between 29 and the given number should be 7. So, what will be the number? The number will be 36. This is one way of looking at it. The another way of looking at it can be, you can pick alternate number 15, 17, 20, 24, 29. So the numbers are 15, 17, 20, 24, 29. What is special about these numbers? Difference is 2, difference is 3, difference is 4, difference is 5. If you take the remaining numbers 18, 21, 25, 30, so the next number will be, the difference between these two numbers is 3, the difference between these two numbers is 4, difference between these two numbers is 5, so the difference between these two numbers should be 6. So this number has to be 36. This is another way of looking at it. Or what you can do is, you can also think of 15 and 18. Difference between these two numbers is 3. Difference between 17 and 21, that is 4. Difference between 20 and 25, that is 5. Difference between 24 and 30, that is 6. So difference between 29 and the number will be 7. So it should be 36. There are multiple ways of looking at it. So correct answer is option B, 36 is the correct answer. Well done, guys. So let's move to the next question. I want you guys to solve this question. This is based on the alphabetical series. You have 2.5 minutes to solve this question. People are saying option D is the correct answer. Okay. So I think we should solve this question. Many people are able to solve this question. So let us solve this question. So we have to match the list 1 with list 2. What is the list 1? List 1 is a series, list 2 is the missing number. The first series is, I'm sorry. The first series is GJ, KM, NQ, RT. What should come after this? So the first series is GJ, KM, sorry, NQ, RT. Okay, we need to find the next term. So G, H, I, J. So there are two elements which are missing in this. Two alphabets which are missing between G and J. So if I write the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Between G and J, two alphabets are there. Between K and M, only one alphabet is there. Only one alphabet is there. Between N and Q, two alphabets are there, O and P. So two alphabets are here. Between R and T, one alphabet is there, that is S. So it is like 2 1 2 1. So there should be two alphabets between the given two alphabets. If the two alphabets are coming here, that there are two alphabets between these two alphabet. Now J, K, L, M, N, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So these numbers are consecutive. J, K, M, N, Q, R. So T. So it should start with U. And there should be at least two alphabets. There are two alphabets between U, V, W. So X. So X should come here. So U and X. So option 3. So for A, it is option 3. This is not correct. This is not correct. This is the possibility. This is the possibility. Now I will check for the another series. A, B, C. So after A, B, C, it should be D. If I just look at the first element, first alphabet, that is A, B, C. So it should be D. So D should come. So only in option 3. Option 4, D is there. So for question number B, 4 should come. So here it is also 4. Both are possible. Both are possible. Now what I will look? I will again look for the next one. So A and B are done. Now I will look at C. So A, C, F. And what is this? A, Z, G, T, M, N. So if A is 1 from the starting, Z is 1 from the last. Then you have C and X. You have C and X. So this is third number from the third letter from the beginning. It is third letter from the end. What about F and U? F is this letter. So 1, 2. So there are two letters between C and F. There are two alphabets between C and F. So it should be number 6 position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So U should be there. So F and U is there, right? So after that, it should be 1, 2, 3. There should be 3 alphabets. There should be 3 alphabets between F and the next alphabet, because here between A and C, one alphabet is there. Between C and F, two alphabets are there. So between F and the next alphabet, 3 alphabets should be there. So F, 1, 2, 3 alphabets, then J. So it should be J and Q. So for question number C, for series C, it should be JQ. So correct answer should be option D. So correct answer is option D. I hope this is clear to you guys. If you are able to solve just 3, somebody is asking, sir, but this is the same, but sir, that is same, so we should check other one also. Yes, it is important to cross verify, because in such type of series there is a high chance that you will make any silly mistake. So this is the best way. You should write all the alphabets and see what is the numbering of each alphabet. In this way, you will be able to minimize the mistakes. Okay, moving to the next question. Your time starts now. You have 1.5 minutes. In this question also, you have to give the numbering to the alphabets. Then it will be very easy for you to solve this. Somebody is saying B, somebody is saying C. Let us see what is the correct answer. You have 30 seconds left. It is between C and B. Most people are saying C, some are saying B. All right. So let us solve this question. In this question, an alphabet series is given with one term is missing. Choose the correct option that will continue the same pattern. We need to find the next missing term. Okay. So the letters are M O Q S U W. M O Q S U W. Then it is Y A C. Y A C. Okay. Now I will write the alphabetic series because then it will be much better. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I will compare first alphabet of both the terms. Here it is M, here it is S. M is here, M is here, S is here. How many alphabets are between M and S? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 alphabets are there between M and S. Okay, between M and S, 5 alphabets are there. What about S and Y? S and Y. How many alphabets are there? S is here, Y is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, for between S and Y also, there are 5 alphabets. So between Y and the next alphabet, next term, the first term, the first alphabet of the next term will be 5. There will be 5 alphabets between this and here the first element. So Y and 5 more alphabets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should be D. It should start with D. Sorry, there are 5 alphabets now. So sixth one. So E. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it should be E. It should start with E. Between Y and E, there are 5 elements. There are 5 alphabets. Between Y and E, there are 5 alphabets. Similarly, if you look for O and U, between O and U, how many alphabets are there? O is here, U is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 alphabets. Between O and U. Between U and A, how many alphabets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 5 alphabets are there. So between A and the next alphabet, which will come at the second position, will also have 5 elements between them. So after A, 5 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So G should come. So it should be E G. So if you look, only option B is satisfying that condition. If you check for I also, I will only come. So correct answer of this question is option B. Just one term, just one alphabet, if you are able to find out, you can directly mark the answer. You don't need to solve for G and I. Simple and straightforward question. I hope this is clear to you guys. Please let me know if it is clear to you. Please like the video. 18 people are watching the stream. I want at least 20 likes uh, for the video. Please do like the video, so it will motivate us to uh, work harder. Okay. So now we are discussing about coding and decoding, right? So what is coding and decoding? So in coding and decoding, what happens is we are giving some codes to some values. For example, if let's say RAM, the code is, let's say, 217, right? For Apple, let's say the code will be 16638. If this is the code of RAM, that is 217, for Apple the code is 16638. Now if I want to know what is the code of lamp, what is the code of lamp, how will I find out? I want to know what will be the code of lamp, LAMP. For such questions, you have to see that the code for A is here 1. Here also code for A is 1. Code for P is 6. PP is written as 66. Code for L is 3. Code for E is 8. Code for R is 2. So every alphabet has its own code. The codes are: A is written as 1, R is written as 2, L is written as 3, E is written as 8, and M is written as 7, and P is written as 6. Right? Now if I want to know what is the code of lamp, what is the code of lamp? So for L the code is 3, for A the code is 1, for M the code is 7, for P the code is 6. I hope this is clear to you guys. So in this type of question, what happens is you have to identify what is the code of each alphabet, right? So this is one type of question where coding is given in this format. Okay. Yes, it is not always like that also. Sometimes the code is different. We will see what can be the possibility of the coding and decoding. So for that I want you to solve this question. In this question, when you solve this, you will identify, you have to identify what is the code of 23549. First solve this question, then I will explain to you. Your time starts now. Please solve this question. You have 1 minute to solve this question. Sir, what if the letter is not there in the given codes? For that case, what will happen is you have to eliminate the cases. Okay, you have to eliminate the case such that in the last case, what we did, we identify what is the code for each word. Apple, APPLE. If the letter is, let's say, elephant, you know the code of E, you know the code of L. So in this way, you have to make the code so that you will be able to form such code as 38. You don't know what is the code for these two letters, but you know that it will start with 38 and it will end with 2 with the help of whatever the information is given. Now for the remaining uh, alphabets, you don't know what is the code, so you can eliminate the option. You can look, the number should start with 38. If the number is not starting with 38, you eliminate that option. The number should end with 2. So these are the conditions that should satisfy. Okay. Okay, people are saying option C is the correct answer. So let me see. Let us solve this question. Uh, the question is in a certain code 156. Yeah. Okay. So in a code 15789 is written as XTZAL. XTZAL 2346 is written as NPSU. Is there any common between 2346 and 15789? No, nothing is common. So X will be 1, X will be 1, T will be 5, Z will be 7, A will be 8, L will be 9, and N will be 2, P will be 3, S will be 4, U will be 6. So all the numbers from 1 to 9 are written here. Now what I need to find? I need to find what is the code of this 23549. So 2 is N, 2 is N, 3 is P, 3 is again P. Just eliminate the option. If you don't know anything, it cannot be P and TSL. It should start with N. It cannot be N and V. So this option is also eliminated. I have two options, NPTSL, NPTUL. So after 3, what is the next number? 5. For 5, the code is T. For 4, what is the code? For 4, the code is S. So NPTS. Don't go for the last one because you can easily eliminate this also. This is NPTUL, but it is NPTS something. For 9, for 9 it is L. So it will be NPTCL. So correct answer is option 3. I hope this is clear to you guys. Okay. Now you have to do for this also. This is another type of word problem. This is another type of coding and decoding problem. I will explain to you. I want you to try this question first. Then I will show you how to solve this question. You have 1.5 minutes. You have 10 seconds left. All right. So time is up. Now I will. People are. Sujan is saying option A is the correct answer. We will solve this question and then we will let you know what is the correct answer. So as of now, what I have explained to you, that you pick one digit for each alphabet, right? Here the alphabets are GREEN. There are 5 alphabets, so the code should also contain 5 numbers. So, but here you see the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 numbers in the code, but you have only 5 alphabets in the given word. So you can't apply that funda that you will give one number to each letter. Since this is not possible, so what is the next possibility? The next possibility is that the numbering system of the alphabets, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now, let me think that G. For G, first I will think of A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3. So G will be 5 to 7. So G will be 7. So G will be 7. What is R? R is here. So it will be 15, 16, 17, 18. So R should be 18. I am assuming, right now I am not sure whether this is correct or not, but I am assuming that if the code of G will be 7, if the code of R will be 18, based on the numbering, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 for A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. For E, it will be 5. For E, it will be 5. For E, again, it will be 5 for N. For N, the code should be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the number should have 7, 18, 5 and 14 in any order. But the numbers are 16, 7, 7, 29. Look carefully. 16 is given, but I know 14. So 14 plus 2 will give me 16. E is written 2 times. E is written 2 times. So 5 plus 2 will give me 7. 7 2 times. 18 plus 2 will give me 20. 7 plus 2 will give me 9. So the numbering of A is not from 1. The numbering of A is 3. The numbering of B will be 4. It will be plus 2. I hope you understood this thing. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, what I did, first I assumed that the numbering should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it is not the case. But I was able to find that N is written as 14. But here it is written as 16. Now you will say, sir, N is at last, here the number is written at first. So the numbers are given, the letters are given, they have a numbering of 9, 20, 7 and 16. This is the original order. The original order should be 9, 20, 7, 7 and 16. Block of these. But it is written in reverse order. It is written in reverse order. So the numbers are written as 16, 7, 7, 20 and 9. Right? I hope this is clear. So first I will find the code of each word, each alphabet, that is G, R, E and N. Then I know I have to write in the reverse order. Write in the reverse order. So for blue, what will be the code? So for blue, BLUE. What is the code word? What will be the code word for code number for the B? It will be 4. It will be 4. For L, it will be if it is 1, it is 12. If it is 1, 2, then it is 12. So 12 plus 2 is 14. So for L, it is 14. For U, it will be 21 plus 2, that is 23. For E, it will be 5 plus 2, that is 7. Now I have to write these numbers in reverse order. So the numbers will be 7, 23, because this is a club, this is a club, this is a club. Like you have to club these numbers. You have to form a group of these numbers. So first 7 will come, then 23 will come, then 14 will come, then 4 will come. So correct answer is option A. Yes, option A is the correct answer. If you have any doubt in this question, please let me know. Yes. All right. So this is the way to solve these questions. Sometimes you can easily find the code for each letter. Sometimes you have to assume 1, 2, 3 and then check whether it is satisfying or not. But sometimes you also need to fix whether you have to add 2 or subtract 2 based on the question. So these are the different things that you have to do, right? Moving to the next question. Yes. This is also one type of coding and decoding questions where the signs are the meaning of signs are changed. So please solve this question. You have 1.5 minutes to solve this question. Please remember the board mass formula. Concept of board mass is very important for this. Sir, wouldn't there be calculator given? I think calculator will be given. They have told about this in the webinar that calculator will be there, on screen calculator will be there. So yeah, people are saying 42 is the correct answer. Somebody is saying, Vishwas is saying B. Shene Chine Pele Gaman Reddy. Sorry, I am not able to pronounce your name, but you are saying D is the answer. So yes. Let us solve this question. So plus means division, minus means multiplication, division means plus, and multiplication means minus. So in this type of questions, what you can do is you just replace the signs. Don't think anything that plus means division, minus means multiplication. Don't remember all these things. Just replace the sign. Wherever plus is there, plus sign is there, put division sign. Wherever minus sign is there, put minus sign is there, put multiplication sign. So 36 into 12, 36 into 12, but cross sign, multiplication sign means negative, means subtraction. I have to replace this sign with subtraction, so it will be minus 12 instead of plus. Instead of plus, what I have to write? I have to write division sign. So divided by 4. When division sign is there, I have to write plus sign. I have to write the plus sign. So plus 2 plus 6. Remember this thing that you have to go step by step, otherwise you will make a mistake. When there is a plus sign, you have to divide. You have to put it by, replace by division sign. 6 divided by 2. Minus sign is replaced by multiplication sign. So it is into 3. First thing is write down the symbols of subtraction, divisibility, addition and multiplication, as it is given in the form of a replacement. Plus is replaced by division, minus is replaced by multiplication. So once you do this, then you remember the BODMAS funda. So division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So it is technically 36 minus 12 divided by 4 is 3, plus 6 minus plus 6 divided by 2 into 3, 6. So sorry, my bad. Here the divisibility rule will apply first because it is division. It is division. So 36 minus 12 divided by 4 is 3, plus 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 3 into 3. So this will be done first. So 36 minus 3 is 33, 33 plus 9 is 42. You have to make sure that you do first division, then you do multiplication, then you do multiplication, then you do addition, then you do subtraction. I hope this is clear to you guys. 42 is the correct answer. Yes, 42 is the correct answer. Solve this question. This is a good question. Sometimes digits will be given in the form of code where symbols are there, letters are there, alphabets are there. So something will be there, some rules will be given, and you need to find the number, the code of the number. What will this code represent? You have to find out this. So you have 2 minutes to solve this question. Please try it. If you are able to solve it, it is good. If you are not able to solve it, I will explain to you. Can you zoom? Okay. Are you not able to see? Can you see it now? What is 6 and 1? 6 is denoted by percentage sign, 1 is denoted by hashtag sign. Okay. Six is denoted by percentage sign, and 1 is denoted by hashtag sign, and 8 is represented by rupee sign. How many of you have given the Cracku free mock test? Please comment in the chat. I want to know how many people have taken the free mock test provided by Cracku. IIM B UG free mock test. If you have taken any single mock also, then also type that you have taken. If you have taken the Cracku free mock, please type yes in the chat. So people are saying the correct answer is option D. Okay. So let us solve this question. So digits are given, and these digits have some codes. The codes are, for 8 the code is rupee symbol, for 3 the code is H, for 0 the code is R. So all the codes are written here. Now exceptions are given. What is the exception? If a number begins and ends with a non-zero odd digit, if a number begins and ends with a non-zero odd digits, what are odd digits? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If the number is starting with any of these numbers, that is starting letter and ending letter, ending word, if the ending number, if the starting number and the ending number both are non-zero odd digit, then the first and last digits to be coded as yn star, yn asterisk, yn asterisk. So if the number is beginning with odd number, let's say the number is beginning with 3 and ending with 5, in this case this condition is there that number is beginning with and ending with a non-zero odd digit number. So for this, otherwise the code would be H. For 3 it is H, for 5 it is E. If it was a normal condition, the code for 3 should be H, the code for 5 should be E as per the given table. But there is one exception, that if the number is beginning and ending with a non-zero odd digit, if the number begins with odd digit, ends with odd digit, then this will not be applicable. Then the first and last digits will be yn asterisk. So then the number will be coded as y and asterisk for first and last digit. Okay. An exception 2 is given as if a number begins and ends with an even digit number including 0, then first and last digits are to be coded as beta and x. Then the last digit will be coded as beta and x, right? So if the digits are even digits, if the digits are even digits, then they are coded as beta and x. So instead of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, the digits are 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Okay. If these are the digits, then the first and the last digits will be coded as beta and x. If for first and last digit any of these numbers is present here in both the cases, in both first and last digit, then they will be coded as beta and x. Then they will be coded as beta and x, right? So we need to find which of the following numbers can the code represent. We need to find which number is represented by this code, which number is possible represented by this code. So what I am given the condition for first and the last digit. The first and last digit, if it is ending with odd number, if it is ending with even number, then only there is an exception, right? So I am not concerned about first and last as of now. For H, rupee symbol, M, E. What are the codes? For H, the digit should be 3. For rupee symbol, the digit should be 8. For M, the digit should be 4. For E, the digit should be 5. So I am not worried whether the last two digits are first digit and the last digit are what, but I know that the four numbers between first and last are 3, 8, 4, 5. So which of the following numbers can the code represent? So definitely I can eliminate the option. The four numbers that are between first and last number are 3, 8, 4, 5. So 3, 8, 4, 5 is a possibility, 3, 8, 4, 5 is a possibility, C. So in all the cases it is satisfying. Now if y is written here and star is written here, y and asterisk is written here, y and asterisk is only possible if the numbers are either here there is no letter, no number which is given the code as y and asterisk. Y and asterisk is not any number which is given as code. So this is only possible when the digits are odd digits. At first number and the last number should be odd number. In this case, first number is odd, but this is even number, so this is not a possibility. In the second place also 3 is odd and 7 is odd, so this is a possible answer. Here 5 and 9 both are odd, so when first digit and last digit, first digit last digit both are odd, then they will be coded as y and asterisk at first place and last place, so this is also possibility. But 4 and 8, these are even numbers, these are even numbers, they will be written as beta and x, so this is also not possible. So the only possible numbers can be either B or C. So correct answer is option D. I hope this is clear to you guys. If you have any doubt, please ask me. This is very important question. Okay. If you have any doubt in this question, please let me know. This is a very good question. I want everybody, sir, please increase the pace a little bit. Okay. Okay, Vishwas. Okay. Moving to the next question. So now we are focusing on input and output. This is also an important topic in logical reasoning, right? So what kind of questions are coming in input and output? So there will be some input given. So let us assume the inputs are 3, 8, 7, 6 and 2. Okay. In step 1, the rule says in step 1, I will square the number. 3 square is 9, 8 square is 64, 7 square is 49, 6 square is 36, 2 square is 4. In the first step, the rule says whenever the input is given, in the first step I have to square the number. I have to square the numbers given as inputs. This is step 1. Step 2 says once I am done with this, I have to multiply. I have to multiply with 2. Step 2 says multiply with 2. Step 1 says squares. Do the squaring. So when I multiply in step 2, it is 18, it is 128, it is 98, it is 72, it is 8. Right? If in the step 3, it is given that you have to subtract with 8, minus 8, you have to do Okay, I think it is visible now. Live, we are live again. Hi, can you hear me? Please let me know if you can hear me. Hi, hello. If you can hear me, please let me know. So yes, sorry for the technical issue. Now I will explain this thing again. So what I told was key if the input is given, you will be given only this thing, input, step 1, step 2, step 3, only this will be given in the examination. You have to identify what is the possible rule at step 1, what is the rule that is applied at step 1, what is the rule that is applied at step 2, what is the rule that is applied at step 3. For this question I explained that for step 1 we are squaring the numbers. For step 2 we are multiplying whatever we are getting at step 1 with 2. That is 9 into 2, 64 into 2, 49 into 2, 36 into 2, 4 into 2. Right? At step 3 I told we are subtracting with 8. 18 minus 8, 10, 128 minus 120. So for this given input, for given steps, I was able to find out what is the logic behind at each step, what is the logic, what is the function that is being done. Similarly, if the input is given as 1, 4, 9, 2 and 5, if this is the question, I want to find what is the answer. So for step 1, what I will do the square. 4 square, 9 square, 2 square, 5 square. Step 2, multiply with 2. 1 into 2, 16 into 2, 81 into 2, 4 into 2, 25 into 2. What is step 3? Step 3 is minus 8. You have to subtract with 8. So 2 minus 8 minus 6, 32 minus 8, 24. So this is the way of getting the step 3. Instead of this value, if the input is let's say 2, 4, 6, 8. If the input is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 9, right? What will be the step 1? If this is input, the step 1 will be square. To do the square, 6 square, 8 square, 9 square. Step 2 is multiply with 2. Step 1 multiplied by 2. 4 into 2, 8. 16 into 2, 32. 36 into 2, 72. 64 into 2, 132. 128. 64 into 2, 128. 81 into 2, 162. What is step 3? Step 3 is minus 8. Step 3 is minus 8. 8 minus 8, 0. 32 minus 8, 24. 64, 120, 154. So this is the final answer. Right? So if I give you one question to solve, this is one type of input and output. The another type of input and output will be, if you have any doubt in this, please let me know. If it is clear, then I will move to the next one. Can you repeat after step 2? Okay. So after step 2, we are subtracting with 8. Here also 18 minus 8, 10. 128 minus 8, 120. 98 minus 8, 90. 72 minus 8, 64. 8 minus 8, 0. 32 minus 8, 24. Okay? Cool. So this is one type of question of input and output. I will give you one more example of input and output. So just give me 1 minute. Let us assume the input is 12, 97, 84, 36 and 28. Right? If this is the input, in step 1, what is the rule? You have to arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order such that you only move one element at one time. You move only one element at one time. So 12 is already present here. So if I want to arrange them in ascending order, my end goal is to arrange the numbers in ascending order. So ascending order means increasing order. So 12, then 28, then 36, then 84, then 97 should come. So step 1, 12 is at its position. 12 will always be here only. So 12 is here only. The second number should be 28. So I will take this 28 from here and I will put it here. This is step 1. And when I am moving one of the elements at the desired position, at the desired position, then I will not move the remaining numbers. The remaining numbers I will write it down as it is. It is 97, 84 and 36. This is step 1, when I am just moving the desired number at its desired location. I am starting from left, first 12 will come, then 28. Now 36 should come here. Now 36 should come here. So step 2 will be, these numbers are already present at its desired position. 36 will come here. I will not change the remaining numbers. I will write down as it is in the same order. In the same order. This is step 2. What will be the step 3? Step 3 is, these numbers are at its desired position. 12, 28, 36. I just need to move 84 here. 97 is already here. So this is the final result. So in 3 steps, I am able to arrange the numbers in ascending order. So if input is this, at step 3 I am able to find the output. That is, I am able to arrange the numbers in ascending order. I hope this is clear to you guys. Please let me know if it is clear to you. Okay. Okay. So I want you to give one question to you. If it is clear, then please solve this question. Yes. I think you have 3 minutes to solve this question. You have 3 minutes to solve this question. Your time starts now. Please solve this question. Please like the stream, guys. At least 25 likes should be there. If you are not following this channel, please follow this channel and subscribe to this channel so that you will never miss any update of live session, of all the latest updates regarding the examination. Are you able to solve this question? Only 20 days left for the examination. Thirty seconds left. Viswaj is saying A or B is the correct answer. Either A or B. Okay, so let us solve this question. Very important question. If you understand this, you can solve any question of input and output. Please pay attention to this question, guys. Okay, a word and number arrangement machine rearranges any given input as shown below. All numbers are two-digit numbers. So input is given where the number and word both are given. I explained you the example of the numbers. Now here there is a combination of number and words both. So the input is grow 84 strong 31 build 67 power 15. First check input, then check last output. What is happening? 15, 31, 67, 84. Means I have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. First thing is clear. End goal is to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Second goal, strong S, P, G, B. What is the first letter of all these words? S, P, G, B. That means I have to arrange them in reverse dictionary order. In dictionary, build will come before grow. Grow will come before power. Power will come before strong. So I am arranging the words in reverse dictionary order, and I am arranging the numbers in ascending order, that is increasing order. These are my two goals for this question. So what is happening? First thing is that I need to put the number at first position. 15 at first position. The remaining input is same or not? Grow 84 strong 31 build 67 power. So it is sorted. That you have to try to put the numbers which is very smaller at the first position. This is your first step. Second step, after you arranges the number, after you put the number, you have to arrange in the reverse dictionary order. You have to focus on the word. First focus on number. At step 2 you have to focus on the word. The word which comes later in the dictionary is strong. So 15 is as it is, strong will come here, grow is as it is, 84 is as it is, 31 is as it is, build 67 power. So first arrange the number in ascending order. Second step, arrange the word in dictionary order, reverse dictionary order. Now comes the third step, number word, then again number. So after 15, which is the smallest number, like which is the smallest number, second smallest number, that is 31. So 31 you put it here. The remaining things are same, grow 84, build 67 and power. After you do this, strong is here. The second word which should come here is power, because it is second last in the dictionary. We are arranging in reverse dictionary order. So power will come here. 15 strong, 31 power will come here. Grow 84, build 67. Once you are done with this, again you have to put the number at first position. You have to arrange the number. That is 15 strong, 31 power, 67 is coming here, grow 84 build. Now if you look, all the numbers are arranged in ascending order. Second thing, all the words are arranged in reverse dictionary order. Step 5 is the final step for this input, which is the step 3 of the output. Which is the step 3 of the output? We need to find out this. First we are arranging the number at first step, then we are arranging the word. Okay, now for this, what is the step 3? The input is seek 95, truth 47, no 82, wisdom 36. First step should be to bring the smallest number at the first position. Step 1 will be to bring the smallest number at the first position, that is this place. So step 1 will be, which is smallest number? 36 is the smallest number. So I will bring 36 here, 36 here, and all the remaining words and letters, numbers as it is. That is seek, 95, truth, 47, no, 82, wisdom. Once the number is at first position, now I am focusing on the word PQRSTUVW. So wisdom will come in the last. Among the given word, wisdom is the last word that will come in the dictionary. So I have to bring wisdom at this position. So step 2 will be 36 as it is. Wisdom will come here. I am only moving one word right now. All the other things will remain in the same order. That is seek, 95, truth, 47, no, 82, right? Step 3 is to bring again the number at third position, the smallest number at third position. So step 3 will be 36 is as it is, wisdom as it is. I will bring the number here. 47 is the smallest number among 95 and 82. So 47 will come here at third position, and the remaining things will be in the same order. That is seek, 95, truth, 47 is already here, no, 82. So correct answer should be 36, wisdom 47, seek 95, truth no 82. Option B is the correct answer. Seek will not come here. After wisdom, number will come here. So this is wrong, this is wrong. Correct answer is option B. I hope this is clear to you guys. Please let me know if it is clear to you guys. Okay. Moving to the next thing. Next question. I have explained to you about this question. This type of question we have already discussed. I want you to solve this question. Your time starts now. Sir, can you explain how 82 before 97? Okay, Sujan. I will, sorry, 97 before 82. The number is 47, 95. 95, 47 is there. 36 wisdom. I will explain that again. Don't worry. First, let me solve this question. Then I will explain that again. Okay. Just give me 2-3 minutes. 38 seconds are left. I want the answer, guys. Please tell me what is the correct answer of this question. 95 before 82. I will explain it. Just give me 2-3 minutes. 14 seconds left. Time up. So let us solve this question. Input is given and some mathematical operations are performed in each step to obtain the next step. Identify the operations and answer the question. We have to identify the operation. We have to identify the operation and answer the question. The question is, if the input is 5, find the output after step 4. If the input is 5, I have to find the output at step 4. I need to find this value. I need to find this value at step 4. What will be the value? So first see what is happening. 3 and 11. If I check the difference is 8. The difference is 8. The difference between these two is 8. The difference between 9 and 29 is 20. The difference between 12 and 38 is 26. By difference, I am not able to find out anything, right? So difference is not the scenario here. If I multiply with 3, if I multiply 3 and 11, it is almost 3 times. 9 and 29, it is also almost 3 times more than this. 12 and 38, almost 3 times. What I am doing here is I am multiplying the first number, this number, with 3 and adding 2. 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 9 into 3 is 27. 27 plus 2 is 29. 12 into 3 is 36. 36 plus 2 is 38. So what I am doing in first step is, step 1, multiply with 3 and then add 2. 3 into 3, 9 plus 2, 11. So what will be step 1 for number 5? 5 into 3 plus 2. 15 plus 2 is 17. This is clear to me. Step 1 is clear to me. Now coming to step 2. This is 38, 28, 29, 19, 11, 1. There is a difference of 10. There is a difference of 10, difference of 10, difference of 10. Means step 2 I have to subtract with 10. If I subtract with 10, it will be 7. It will be 7. Because 11 minus 10, 1. 29 minus 10, 19. 38 minus 10, 28. Now coming to step 3. Now coming to step 3. What is step 3? This is 1 and 5. This is 19 and 41. This is 28 into 28 and 59. So what is happening at step number 3? Can you identify what is happening in step 3? Yes, it is almost double. Almost double. So 19 into 2 is 38. 19 into 2 is 38 plus 3 is 41. 28 into 2 is 56 plus 3. So I have to, in step 2, what I did? In step 2, I subtracted with 10. Minus 10. I did minus 10. What is done in step 3? In step 3, what I am doing? I am multiplying with 2 and adding with 3. Multiplying with 2 and adding with 3. 1 into 3, 3. 3 plus 2, sorry, 1 into 3. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 19 into 2 is 38. 38 plus 3 is 41. 28 into 2, 56. 56 plus 3, 59. So 7 into 2. 7 into 2 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. So it will be 17. Right? I hope this is clear to you guys. So step 3 is multiply with 2 and add with 3. Now coming to step 4. 5 minus 10. 41, 26, 59 and 44. The difference between these three numbers is 15. I am subtracting with 15. When I subtract 15 with 5, I will get minus 10. When I subtract 15 with 41, I will get 26. So I have to subtract with 15 here. If I subtract with 15, I will get 2. So if the input is 5, the output after step 4 is 2. Option C is the correct answer. I hope this is clear to you guys. Please let me know if it is clear to you. HS, can you please tell me where you are not getting it? Do you want me to explain this question entirely again? If you want me to explain this question again, please comment explain again. Entirely, I will explain this entire question again. If you want any specific step, then I will explain the specific step. If it is clear, please write clear. If it is not clear, please tell me which step you are facing the problem, or you want me to explain the entire question again. Please comment on the video so that I can know whether you want me to explain this question again. Somebody was asking me, sorry, 97 before 82 in the previous question. 97 before 82. Because I'm not changing the order. When I'm moving one number here, I'm writing the rest numbers and letters in the same order. Seek, 95, truth, 47, no, 82, wisdom. I'm not moving anything. I'm just moving either one number or one word at one time. One word, one letter at time, one number at one time, one letter at one time. The remaining has to be in the same order, right? Yes, previous question I'm explaining. We are moving only one. First, we are moving number 36 here. Seek is here, 95 is here, truth 47, no, 82, wisdom. Then I am concerned about the letter, the word. The word should come wisdom. So wisdom I will bring at second position. Seek is here, 95 is here, truth is here, 47 is here, no is here, 82 is here. Then I am again concerned with the number. The number should be 47. So if I bring 47 here, the remaining things are same. Seek is here, 95 is here, truth is here, no is here, 82 is here. Okay. Step 4. Step 4 I will explain again. Okay, no problem. We look at step 4. Here it is 5, here it is minus 10. Here it is 5, here it is minus 10, 41, 26, 59 and 44. Whenever I am seeing the number are getting reduced, I will think whether they are subtracted or not. So 59 minus 44. 59 minus 44 is 15. 59 minus 44 is 15. 41 minus 26 is also 15. So at step 4, I am subtracting 15 with every number that is present on step 3. Similarly, if the number is 17 here, I will subtract with 15, then I will get 2 as the correct answer. Okay. Sujan is saying, but 82 is less than 95. I am not concerned about this is not the final step. This is not the final step. This is step number 3. I am concerned with step 3 of the output. I am not concerned about step 5. Step 5 will be the last final output. See, when if I do step 4, this is not the final answer. For this question, they are asking step 3. Step 3 is this only. If I do the arrangement, proper arrangement and proper, if I arrange all the numbers in ascending order, all the words in descending order of their reverse dictionary order, then this will not be the correct answer. The correct answer, the last step should be, it will be different. Okay. Okay. Why are we not arranging it? because we are concerned with step number 3. If it was the last output, find the last output of this series, then step 4 will be, I have arranged number again, first number, word, number, then again it will be word. So W T, so truth will come here. So 36 as it is, wisdom as it is, 47 as it is. Instead of seek, it will be truth. So truth, then seek, then 95, no, 82. Once I arrange the word, these are arranged. Now again the number has to be arranged. The number is 82. So 82 will come here. So step 5 will be 36, wisdom, 47, truth, then you have 82, then you have seek, then you have 95, then you have no, and then you have nothing. So this is the final step. So if the question was find the last output of the following input, this should be the correct answer. They have asked me step 3, so step 3 is this one only. Okay. No problem. All right, guys. So that was all about today's session. We are not able to cover the uh, we are not able to cover one of the topic, that is visual reasoning. We will cover this in next class. Okay. Whenever we will cover the logical reasoning class, we will cover this topic in the next class. For today's session, we have just covered series, number series, alphabet series, input output, okay, and coding decoding, right? So these are the 4 things that we have done in today's session. If you like the session, if you enjoyed the session, please let me know, and we'll cover the logic this visual reasoning in the next class. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in with Cracku. Have a good day, good night, take care, see you in the next session. Good night, guys. Thank you.